This is my video about the Plasmodium life cycle. So this is my drawing. Here we have a mosquito feeding off a human. He injects the human blood with the Plasmodium parasites. These parasites then travel into the liver, straight to the liver, which is here, and they enter into the liver cell. The liver cell becomes infected. It then creates mature schizones, and these schizones produce menzoids, which then reproduce and eventually burst the schizone cell. So now the menzoids travel into the red blood cells, which they start to infect the red blood cells in the bloodstream, and then they eventually reproduce as well and eventually burst the cell. Now, some of the red blood cells that become infected with the menzoids, they travel in the bloodstream and they become gametocytes, which are red blood cells who are infected with the menzoids. These gametocytes then eventually travel in the red blood cells, still infected, and eventually goes to the next mosquito who is getting his feed. So now the mosquito is infected by the blood, which is gametocytes. So, couple of questions that need to be answered. The Plasmodium infects both human and mosquitoes. Malaria is the disease it causes. Some of the signs and symptoms occur during the blood stage, which is where the menzoids reproduce into the red blood cells and infect the red blood cells. So the signs and symptoms include fever, chills, sweats, headache, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Now, some severe cases include all of those signs plus a coma, acute kidney injury, or pulmonary complications, which is also shortness of breath.